You ever wondered why your mind automatically associates women with sexual thoughts? Why does social media and explicit content make it harder to see women as complete individuals rather than just their appearance? Desexualizing your brain means reducing the automatic connection between women and sexual thoughts, often triggered by things like explicit content and social media. The quickest way to start seeing women as humans rather than objects isn't just about quitting explicit material. It's called the full glass method. Here's how you can do it in one step. Flush out inappropriate thoughts by replacing them with more meaningful ones. Think of it like filling a dirty glass with clean water until it clears itself. Begin by exposing your mind to well-rounded female characters who are more than just their appearance. Watch documentaries or content about women, particularly those you might typically find attractive. In a sense, the goal is to bridge the gap between how women are portrayed online and their true human side, which is often ignored on social media. If possible, spend time with female friends or acquaintances. Real-life interactions can help you understand how different women in reality are compared to their exaggerated online personas. This process isn't about suppressing all interest. It's perfectly fine to find someone attractive and appreciate them. Desexualizing simply means shifting your focus to seeing women as complete individuals. That's it.